People talk about the lifestyle of RVing. When you guys in the industry talk about lifestyle, what do you see?
When we talk about lifestyle, it's people going out for the weekend camping, but that isn't what it is anymore. You know how people live the hockey life, people live the rodeo life, people love the outdoors, they love RVing. They're living the outdoor life.
When you go online and you look at RV, it's almost like, it's a little bit of a hobby game to say you got yourself the right gear, but nobody talks about once you have the gear, what does it truly mean? How does it affect your lifestyle?
That's going to dictate how you camp, where you go. And trying to figure out what you need in your RV to actually embrace what you want to do, that's where you need to get a consultant, or you need to do some real research to understand the options you're looking for and the accessories you need to do that. Right down to the cutlery. We need something that can fall out of the cabinet possibly if you hit a bad bump and not shatter all over the floor.
So do you guys recognize that now in your parts department? Is this the kind of stuff that we can get? Because I've not bought China from an RV parts store before.
You know, the place you go to buy the water pump for your RV, it's not usually what you expect. But when we start talking about niche products made for traveling, we want you to come in here and be able to get everything you need to travel within one building. I mean, a lot of this stuff, traditionally, people have gone to the big box designer stores, and you know what, we're starting to get into that product too. The lifestyle pillow that says, I go where I'm towed. We want to have the birdhouse that's shaped like an RV. That's the lifestyle stuff that people are identifying with.
You know what I like about the fact that you guys are putting some effort into this is you can buy these things online. And I've bought probably 3 different camping chairs before I found the one I really liked. Your particular case, I can actually come and sit in it and see if it works for me before I buy it.
And that's so true today. Everyone looks at Amazon and they can have it at their house within 2 days. And what people don't know is you got to check your retailers. The Amazon pricing, contrary to what everyone assumes, my store is pretty well bang on with most Amazon pricing. The difference is, it's in your hand when you walk out the door. So we'd love to help you here, help you identify what you need and make sure it's the right thing for you. Everything from the nut you need to hold the water heater together, to the plates, to the cups, to the air conditioner on the roof. I want to be able to do as much as I can in one place as possible for the RVer.
I'm a little worried here because I like hanging out in your store. Now my wife's going to like hanging out here, so it's going to be an expensive exercise.
We don't want this just to be a part store for guys anymore. It's always been, you need something for the RV, the wife sits in the car, the husband runs inside, he grabs a water pump, and he comes back outside again. Well, no, we want the whole family to come in. We want the kids to come in. We want the whole family to be involved in the lifestyle now.